We're the founders of Surfstoke. We build great products to enhance your surfing experience. We're four guys with different skills, including coding, growth hacking, user experience, business development. My name is Kim Hansen, and I'm in charge of leading the Surfstoke team, building our strategy, vision, and overseeing the coding of our apps. I've created a couple of startup companies with successful exits, and now I want to build something that's much closer to my heart and my passion.
I'm Pedro and I'm the user interface guy of Stoked Apps. I've been building user interfaces for personal finance, project management, forex trading, and social networks. I've always loved to build apps, and since I'm a surfer and I share the same passions with my partners and friends here in Surfstoke, it was super easy to find motivation to start building this startup.
My name is Alan. I'm a co-founder of Surfstoke. My background is computer engineering and multimedia design. My professional career, it's all about making product that makes a real difference in people's lives. I have led a team of engineers through a €1 million seed round. We're trying to solve a problem that surfers don't get enough time in the water with their friends. I see the problem myself. There are no sufficient planning tools for optimized surfers, for busy surfers, surfers that need to optimize their days in terms of surf, professional career. This is what we intend to solve.
I'm Eddie, the growth hacker at Surfstoke. About a year ago, I won the Entrepreneur's Apprenticeship competition from Katenja International and got a chance to go live in Bali and help growth hack the Katenja startups Mailbird and Labster. And with me guiding a few things, including their launches, we managed to get both of them onto the front page of TechCrunch and to make the metrics kind of go hockey stickish, which was a lot of fun. Surfstoke represents a chance to save hundreds of hours and add a ton of enjoyment to the lives of millions of people all around the world. It's a way to dive into an awesome community and make their lives better.